Back in City tonight.
OK, it's time. Sheffield Wednesday of the Championship against Manchester City of the Premier League. Martin.
Crystal Palace midfielder Joe Pelupessy, the Dutch midfielder, will support Fernando Forestieri up top. That is because there are two loan players unavailable tonight. David Silva, a two-times FA Cup winner. And there are places in the starting 11 for both Sergio Aguero and Gabriel Jesus. No Kevin De Bruyne tonight, but Sterling, the aforementioned Stones. Cancelo. He's looking for Aguero. Brilliant turn from him. Iorfa trying to get back to recover, and he did.
Did exceptionally well there, didn't he, Iorfa? Initially thought he's trying to dive in, but...
Cancelo. Oh, it's still been picked up by Mahrez. There was hesitation from Sheffield Wednesday there.
Well, I think they thought Silva was going to get to that ball in the end. He did.
So many times over the years. It's Otamendi. Driven in by Mendy. Aguero's touch. Wasn't Aguero-like. Back in from Mendy. Tipped in by David Silva. Rodri. Back in from Stones. That wasn't the worst delivery.
It was actually a great ball in from Stones.
Gabriel Jesus got on the end of it.
That's the thing with Stones, when he's confident. Here he is with the header initially. It comes back to him and improvises really well. It's a very close one. Jesus at the far stick. Gets up above his marker. He'd be disappointed he doesn't hit the target from there.
Mahrez. Well, it's cleared, but only as far as Riyad Mahrez. He'll be disappointed, and his face tells you the picture.
Well, he will be.
There's another committed challenge, shall we say, there. Aguero plays on. Jesus. That little glance, the flag hadn't gone up.
Well, in the end, he should actually do better. The referee's now gone back, I think.
And the quality improve. Whipped in by Mahrez. Oh, it can! The woodwork says Sheffield Wednesday.
Well, I think you have to question their defence.
Mahrez in again. I couldn't get over that one. Well, this was the previous one, Martin.
Yeah, just then nobody in the space, and then they get ahead of Burner there, Otamendi. It always seems to be a Man City head getting into it first. Very fortunate there. Just see there, he swivels, strikes him on the side of the head, just clips the bar. Does everything right there, Otamendi. But score.
First half. Another Manchester City free kick, another Mahrez delivery. Stones at the back post. Couldn't find the target.
No. Strangely, Sheffield Wednesday don't look particularly strong at set pieces. This time it's Stones again, coming round at that back post. He just tries to head that down. I feel he should be hitting the target with that. Just heads it too much down, doesn't he? He's got to head through the ball a little bit more.
Well, they've certainly had their opportunities. Heavy touch there from Iorfa. No flag against Aguero. Still Sergio Aguero. Couldn't generate the required power.
He's got Mahrez to one side of him, screaming at him.
Nice turn from Aguero. David Silva. Mendy joining in! And the woodwork is struck for the second time in the game from Manchester City. We've seen that reaction more than once so far this evening. Here come the holders again. Wildsmith able to gather at the second attempt.
Excellent save. That is a really smart save. Space again, work it through the middle. Wonderful play there. Bernardo Silva just gets that left hand out, just hits it into the corner. Good reactions.
Mendy. Aguero! Has it gone through? It has. Wildsmith got his hand to it, but he couldn't keep it out. And you can't keep Sergio Aguero out of the headlines either. 21 goals in his last 23 starts, and the FA Cup holders, 7 minutes into the second half, have found the breakthrough.
Well, City just relentless, keep moving that ball. Goalkeeper gets a hand to it. It's Aguero, isn't it? Just talking about the strikers, look how close they are together. A little bit of movement out of that space. Frees up the ball into Aguero. Lovely ball in, I think he's just about onside. And the goalkeeper, could he do better? It's a flash shot, isn't it? This lovely approach play, though. Just creates the space for Aguero to come in. For me, the goalkeeper there needs a stronger hand, gets to it. Having got there, he should keep that out. 1-0 City.
Goal number 23 of the season for Sergio Aguero. 253 for the club's record goal scorer. And at last he can celebrate. Golder there. For the claims of handball from the Sheffield Wednesday players.
We all know what shoulder is and what handball is, don't we?
Here's David Silva. Mahrez. Stepped inside. You could see what he was trying to do.
You could, but it's not coming off for him tonight. As soon as he picks this ball up, he wants to check inside. That's all it is in his mind. He stays out wide so that he can receive it. Here he is now, pick it up. He steps inside as he does beautifully and doesn't find the finish. Expect better from him. That should be Nessel, shouldn't it?
David Silva can have floated into Mahrez. He's done that brilliantly. There's the pullback, but it's behind Aguero. City probing for a second. Mahrez. He's off target again. It's a corner at the end of it.
Well, again, it's beautiful, isn't it? The way they just dissect the move, the movement off the ball at Mahrez just get picked out. Look, there's hardly any space there. He finds it. Not sure if that comes off the defender or the goalkeeper.
He's now going to take the corner, which wasn't a productive one potentially, but then the shot on the turn with some stones. Then it came to Jesus, and eventually Wildsmith has hold of it after Rodri's swinger.
Fit, he gives him something a bit extra. This is Mahrez, isn't it? Once again, his final shot. I think that was one of two there in that little passage of play. This is the first one.
Away by Mendy. One back, in from Hunt. Fletcher sliding in. Couldn't quite get there. City playing out inside their own area. Claudio Bravo. Well, he's giving Sheffield Wednesday a chance. And an unnecessary one as well. They've got to corner the Championship team.
We might actually have a contest now. Iorfa there coming out. He wants to press. He's gone right past his midfield, though.
He's got to get back now because Mahrez is on the charge. He's clipped that in. And Tonley's read the situation to put it behind for a corner.
Well, that was just Iorfa there getting...
City looking to settle it once and for all. Bernardo Silva. Held by the goalkeeper, Wildsmith.
Again, it's a tepid end, isn't it, too? I think I counted about 40 passes there from City. The goalkeeper's just thrown it straight back. Almost like a training session. They won't thank him for that, will they? Those defenders.
There is Sterling. David Silva trying to find Mahrez. Surely one of these City players are going to put it in this time. No, Sterling denied by Wildsmith.
He's done well there again, the goalkeeper, you have to say.
Hunt into Iorfa. Final few seconds. That ran away from the Cruz, and that should be that. Well, they weren't at their clinical best. They didn't have to hit top gear. But Pep Guardiola's side continue their defence of the FA.
Qui a accroché le maillot, ouais, qui a un peu ragé.
Et merci à Ribou70 pour son follow.
Merci à toi.
Ouais, merci, bienvenue.
Et concernant les tirages, Mirza, on va en lancer un bientôt, on a déjà...
Ouais. À la fin de cette manche, on va voir qui est sub. Du coup, n'hésite pas à participer avec point d'exclamation eSport FA.
Parfait. Donc là, le match va se finir sur...
Ouais, sur un 2-0, en tout cas sur une victoire de Bestou, hein, Petros.
Mais bon, NSN, on les connaît, ils sont capables de revenir n'importe quel moment. Même si
ouais, ça d'accord, maintenant, j'ai l'impression qu'ils sont en train de tomber contre une équipe qui... Oh, elle était belle celle-là. Elle était monstrueuse, cette frappe. Alors, j'ai pas vu qui était à la frappe. Elle était très bien partie, très tendue. Il y a peut-être à un moment donné aussi un petit coup au mental là, pour les joueurs d'NSN qui ont du mal contre Bestou apparemment. Et là on voit les stats de Bestou. Alors les amis, je vais vous laisser juste une petite minute. Il me manque un ingrédient et j'arrive dans une minute. Je vous laisse combler.
Ça joue. On est là pour les demi-finales avec You, avec Petros, avec Tatane. Alors Tatane, qu'est-ce que tu as à nous proposer en attendant? On fait une petite page de pub et on revient ou tu as...
Non, tout va bien les amis, on va juste récapituler rapidement si vous venez de nous rejoindre, puisque Never Back Down gagne une manche à 0 face à Thunderhawk pour l'instant, donc une manche sur 3 pour s'imposer et aller en finale. La finale ce sera lundi prochain. Et dans l'autre match, Bestou mène 2-0 face à NSN Clutch Ryan, eSport. Bon, NSN, ils ont l'habitude des matchs longs, donc on s'inquiète pas pour eux. Mais en tout cas, ouais, ça va être une belle soirée. Et d'ailleurs, est-ce que vous avez une petite analyse à nous faire comme ça, là, Petros Miza?
Ah, moi, je pense... Bestou, je les voyais déjà venir... Hier, j'ai déjà dit qu'ils vont se qualifier, donc là, je pense qu'ils vont confirmer à 3-0, je pense. Et NBD aussi, de leur côté, 3-0, ça va finir... Malheureusement...
Ouais. Toi, tu penses qu'on va se coucher tôt pour une fois?
Ouais, malheureusement.
Peut-être pas 3-0, 3-0, moi, mais je suis du même avis que Petros par rapport aux qualifiés. Les qualifiés vont être NBD, Bestou, je le sentais avant même le début de la soirée, avant même le début de la manche 1, puisque c'est les équipes quand même qui sont le plus en forme sur les deux premiers soirs. NSN, hier, ils ont fini tard un petit peu. NBD, ils ont fini tôt. Thunderhawk aussi, ils sont allés la chercher loin. Bestou, ils ont tenu aussi avec l'adrénaline d'avoir sorti Sam Crow, ils veulent pas maintenant sortir. Ça fait quand même pas mal de choses qui fait que après là on sait que tout peut basculer vers la régalade dans les playoffs en BO5 et je suppose que le public attend ça. Et Malikas qui est à la retraite les amis, merci à toi Malikas pour cette fabuleuse année. Tu auras eu un titre de révélation de FL Automne, ce n'est pas rien. Il y a plus de 1000 et quelques personnes qui sont passées depuis 2018 et qui n'ont pas peut-être réussi à faire ce palmarès.
En tout cas, une chose est sûre, c'est que nous, on commence à avoir des cernes bien sympathiques après cette semaine. Et encore, si j'étais là aussi lundi, ça fait 4 soirs de live, ça fait 4 fois où ça s'est... Enfin, en tout cas, 3 fois où ça s'est terminé bien tard. Principalement, c'était mardi où on a fait un stream jusqu'à 1h du matin, puisque c'était les anciens face à qui ils jouaient déjà? Face à Thunder, donc face à United Manager. Et c'était un match de quart de finale qui restera dans la légende, les amis, comme d'autres matchs.
Mais nos viewers aussi sont là et on les sert, ils sont là avec nous dans la soirée. Et on vous remercie. Depuis 4 soirs, c'est la régalade totale. Et là, les équipes qui se préparent pour la manche 2. Yu qui a pris son petit camembert à l'huile d'olive concocté par Will Smith. Et il va revenir en pleine forme.
Et en parlant de Will Smith, il écrit depuis tout à l'heure le tirage.
Le tirage au coup d'envoi, Will Smith, ou peut-être juste avant le coup d'envoi, dès qu'il y a une arène qui se lance. Allez, voilà, on va faire comme ça. N'hésitez pas à participer. Point d'exclamation eSport FA.
Allez, je suis de retour, les amis. De retour, c'est bon, je suis...
Dis-nous tout, You.
Vu que You est de retour, on fait le tirage, c'est parti. Pour fêter le retour de You, hip hip hip, le tirage, le gagnant, c'est GTX Penguix qui a gagné. Bravo à toi.
Il était pas joué.
Et s'il est sub, ça sera reporté.
Ouais, je crois que c'est... Je suis pas sûr, mais je crois que c'est un prolongement. En tout cas, félicitations à toi.
C'est beau. Alors, point sur les 2 premiers Game 1 qui se sont joués. Donc, on est toujours sur les demi-finales de l'EFL hiver, les amis, avec NSN